What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we got a product from a company, One Car Stereo. Big shout out to them for sending it over. This is their AI Box Lite. So what this is an adapter designed for iPhone and Android smartphones to use Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wirelessly on your factory car multimedia system, which has the built-in wired Android Auto or Apple CarPlay function. And at the same time, this device has built-in YouTube and Netflix to watch online videos or use the USB interface, which will read your videos and audio and the U disc. So essentially what this does is turn your wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay into wireless. You're also going to be able to play your own music that you have loaded on disk and watch Netflix and YouTube as well. So a pretty cool feature. Now, this is going to run you about $189. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Now, this is not recommended to be used while you're driving. I recommend using it while you're parked. So we're going to take a look at this, get this unboxed. We're going to try it out, get it hooked up. This also uses your phone hotspot to connect. And we're going to do all that outside in the vehicle. So let's get this open up and take a look at what's all included. So a pretty cool product here. Something different there. Let's see how we get this open. So right there. So the first thing inside of the packaging, you're going to get your instructions. Going to tell you how to get this thing connected, how to use it, answer some questions and stuff here as well. So got that. And here's the tiny little box. Put that over to the side. So you're going to get two cables. You got Type C to Type C. And you're also going to get Type A to Type C. So whichever you need is going to be there. So let's go ahead and put this over to the side. And then here's the little box. As you guys see, One Car Stereo AI Box Lite. Take this plastic off. And here it is. So on the back, you do have some input information there. You do have some ventilation there all the way around the sides. Very small, lightweight little box. This side, you got your Type C. This side, you got your Type A. So that is pretty much it for the unboxing. You guys see just how small this is and very lightweight. So let's take it out to the truck, get this thing hooked up and try it out. All right, guys, so we have the AI Box Lite in my wife's car. This is a Ford Explorer 2021. She does have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, but they are wired. So we're going to go ahead and take the AI Box Lite and plug it in with the USB-A cable. But you can also use the Type C as well, but I just chose to use this one. Once you plug it in, you're going to get two lights. Going to get the blue power light and your connection light, which is the red one. You also have a third one in the middle right there, which is going to be green for your update. So in a few seconds here, it's going to change to the AI Box Lite interface. This is just a regular Ford Explorer interface right here. And you're going to see it pop up as Android, but of course this works with Apple CarPlay as well. So once this comes up, it's going to show display. It's going to briefly go to this display here. This is your Bluetooth device here. It's going to show you the name of the device. Then it's going to swap back over to this display here. So here, you guys see you got voice search. Some of your apps down here at the bottom. Spotify, you can make phone calls. You got your settings, calculator. These are some of the apps that are already on the device here. You guys see podcast, phone, news, messengers. You got games in here as well. A bunch of games. You do have a touch assistant floating bar right here. I'm gonna go back, get out of that. And this is the main display right here. So here, I can go back to this display, see the name of the device, and try and connect. Or I can go here. Let's go back. This is where I can turn on my Wi-Fi connection and connect the device. We're going to do that. As you see, it popped up right there looking for a different device. You got your home button, another back button. You got your apps. So this is your apps section here where you got YouTube, videos, music, Netflix, and you can clear all tasks. You got your settings. Let's go into the main settings here. So you got your navigation. You can customize this. You got your languages. So you got a bunch of different languages there. You got your version of software that it's on. You got more settings. So in more settings, you got your network and internet, your connected devices. If you have any connected, or you can pair a new device. You got your apps and notification. Let's go into this. So as you guys see, there's 24 apps already installed here. And that's some of the same ones we saw early on there. You got Google Play Store on here. Got a bunch of things on here. Let's go back out. You're gonna have your sound. You can set your sound there. You got your storage. So as you guys see, this has 16 gigabytes of storage. You got your storage manager. You can also plug in your own thumb drives or USB drives as well. You got your privacy, your locations, your accounts, screenshots, Google. You got your system gestures, just a whole bunch of stuff there. Let's go back. And you got your system settings and factory settings. So that is pretty much it right there. And then they have some, you can put your own music and videos on here. They do have preloaded video on here. Now this plays through your car speakers. So you're gonna get some great sound. This is just a preloaded sample they have there, and I'm gonna go ahead and stop it, turn the volume down at least. Don't want any copyright. And then you get back out of this just like this. And they have music, and you can put your own music. I'm gonna show you with a thumb drive here in a minute. So that is just some that they have preloaded on there, but you can load your own or use your own USB drive. All right, so let's go ahead and get I'm gonna be connecting this to my iPhone. Now you can Bluetooth connect, or you can use your hotspot. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hotspot. That's gonna be Wi-Fi, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn on Wi-Fi. And I'm gonna turn it on my iPhone, my hotspot. So personal hotspot right there. I don't want you guys to see my password. So there it is. It is connected because I've connected it before, testing it out. As you guys see, it is connected. So just like that, it will remember your device. So now this is wireless CarPlay as well. So if I wanted to watch some YouTube, go in, hit the YouTube. Now the quickness and speed of it depends on your connection that you have, for as your Wi-Fi, your hotspot speed, I should say. So we're gonna go to my channel, and we're gonna play a video from my channel, let you guys see how this look. Will H, Gadgets and More. Let's go ahead and bring this one up. Now remember this little box, you can move it over out of the way. There's an ad. Go ahead and skip it. And this is a video, one of my videos. And like I said, the sound comes from your car speakers. As you guys see, you can set your resolution on here. Just like anything else, you got all full controls down here. Let's go ahead and play it again. You also can use this as a little floating window as well. So let's go ahead and back out of this. So we're gonna go ahead and stop the video. Here it is here. I can pop back in if I want. So I'm gonna stop it and get back out of this, and then I'll show you some other stuff here. Let's show you Netflix. So here's Netflix. And like I said, it comes up pretty fast, as you guys see. All right, let's go to movies. And let's just randomly play one of them. Let's play this. And it comes up fairly quick as well. So this is through the hotspot. But like I said, you can use Bluetooth as well. And this makes this completely wireless. And sometimes it takes a little bit, depends on the connection that you have from your device. So sometimes if you back out and come back in, it'll go a little bit faster. So there's the movie playing right there.
Don't you ever put that in your mouth again. It's not for you. You don't do that.
Can you do it?
And it looks good. It looks good.
You hear me?
All right, so we're gonna get out of that. Go back out. I'd say it works good, man. Very well thought out plan thing here. You can close out your tasks. You can clear everything so you don't have anything in the background. Let's go ahead and plug in a USB drive. Let me plug that in and show you how that, guys. As you guys see, I have a USB thumb drive plugged in, and I'm going to show you that I can play video from this. So this is the preloaded video that they have on there. I'm going to go back, and as you guys see, it is here. I have added movies, a movie on here, music and a movie. So there's my intro right there that I added, just to show that you can add your own stuff on here. This is my outro, I should say. That's added on there, and I can go back, and you can choose what you want to do. So if you go here, you can do local, or you can be USB. So you can add all you want on there and play that. Now, I did add some music. They have preloaded music on here. Go ahead and stop it. Let's go here. And the USB, I added a couple of songs here. So chosen beats. So you can play your own video and music off of the USB thumb drive as well. So pretty neat right there also. So you can go back home. This is your home screen. If you want to exit out of it, just exit out and you're right back into your regular car system right there. So I'm going to show you hooked up in my vehicle, in my truck, with an Android device. Guys, so now we're in my 2023 Chevy Silverado 1500. As you guys see, I have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I do have wireless already, but just going to show you this using it with a Android device. So I'm going to go ahead and plug in the box. Same thing. I do still have the thumb drive in there. So this time I'm going to be hooking it up to my Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. That's the phone we're going to be using. Waiting on the interface to change to the AI box. It is plugged in right here, USB-A, and it takes a little while. As you guys see, it finally changed over, and here it is. So I have connected it before. Let's go ahead and see if this will automatically connect. So we're going to go into my hotspot here. I'm using this with Mint Mobile. So I'm going to turn on my hotspot. You can use it with Bluetooth, but I prefer to use it with the hotspot. It just makes it that much easier for me. So we're going to go ahead and get into the box here. You do have your voice search and all of that stuff. You still have your little floating window there as well. So we're going to go ahead and connect, turn on Wi-Fi, and it may just automatically connect because I've had it connected before. Yes, it's going to go ahead and connect. As you see, it is connected to the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. It says saved, and connecting, authenticating, connected. So you don't have to reconnect, but here it is. Everything's going to work the exact same way. No wires hooked up, wireless, but I have it wireless anyway. But this is going to be the way that I can play Netflix and YouTube in my vehicle where normally I won't be able to. So let's go ahead and bring up YouTube. Now this is through Mint Mobile. My iPhone is connected to AT&T, so I get a little bit better service through AT&T in my area. But as you guys see, Mint Mobile connection is not bad. Let's go to my channel again. You guys get a real-time sense of just how fast this loads up. Let's go ahead and play that same video again. And we get an ad here. And like I said, the sound comes from your stereo system in your vehicle. So let's go ahead and turn the volume up. And it looks pretty good. Like I said, you can change your resolution. You got just about all your controls with this as you would have on your phone or tablet or whatever for YouTube. So we're gonna go ahead and stop this, and we're gonna go ahead and play. We're gonna go to Netflix next. So let's get out of this, go home. Let's go to Netflix. Just a quick example. It's gonna work the same way, just like it did with the iPhone. I just wanted to show you guys with Android Auto, it's gonna work. As you guys see, pretty fast. And the same movie that we played before. This is very nice. Now, they do not recommend using this while you're driving. Most states it's illegal for the driver to be able to see a video or something like that playing. So I do not recommend that you drive and use this. So Netflix, for some reason, on both devices, seems like you have to go back in and restart it, and then it plays right away.
I want to go home.
So let's go ahead and turn the volume down.
I hate it too.
Don't want any copyright. And there's the display. So this is a dark screen here, but you can strobe through on here as well. So that's a light scene right there, and it doesn't look bad. It looks good. So let's go ahead and stop this and get out of it. I just wanted to demonstrate the same functionality that you have with the iPhone. You're gonna have the same thing here, just like this. And let's go home. And you can exit. You do have your little floating window right there as well. And if you wanted to get back into it, it says Apple CarPlay, but just go back in, and here's the little floating, that's your little floating Netflix right there. So that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay guys, so we're back in. This has been my look at the One Car Stereo AI Box Lite. Very nice little box here. Very versatile. Now, one thing I have to say, it does get a little bit warm when you're using it. They say that is perfectly normal. Now, you can use the cables as well, but that's not making it wireless. So I found the best way to use it was with my hotspot, but you can Bluetooth tether and Bluetooth as well. I just seem to get a little bit better performance using the hotspot. Very nice little device. Got a lot of apps. You can watch YouTube, Netflix. You got games on there. Works with your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. So definitely we'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H. I'm out.